This one is following the recent incident in Bangladesh. Some of the Molvis were interviewed by journalists. So at answer of one question, one Molvi answered like this. His question is, Mullahs have expressed in their interviews that they are against Ahmadis because Ahmadis distort Islam by their distorted interpretations. This is clear interference in true Islam. So what's Huzur's comment about this question?
This is the answer of the Mullah.
Ji.
Yes. Who has authorized the Mullah to give the true interpretation of Islam? Has God authorized Mullah? Because Islam's interpretation is given differently. First of all, by Sunnis and Shias. So Islam is divided right in the middle. So which explanation of the Quran or Hadith they will accept? They will accept the Shia or Sunni. The moment they accept one, they are divided. So there is no one explanation at all which can be given. Secondly, to answer in real terms, I must say that any sane man can see that Ahmadiyya interpretation is always the best because it's most logical. Any explanation of the Quran which is not logical, any explanation of Khatam al-Nabiyyin which is not logical would not be the explanation which is right and which is from God, because there is no discrepancy in truth. There is no contradiction between the word of God and nature which is created by God. You understand, the contradiction means that if God is all wise, if God has created the universe, how could His word go against the scientific realities of the world? So from this point of view, if you judge Ahmadiyyat, you will be surprised that the only religious explanation of Islam which is completely at one with the scientific discoveries is Ahmadiyya. So the mullahs talk rubbish. You should not take that seriously. This is what they are made for.